Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share an anthropomorphic monster for your iClone 8 and CC4 3D animations. You can see this is my iClone 8 and this monster anthropomorphic is created by me just by using the mesh sheet. I use all of these prompts and generate in mesh sheet. This is an AI generated 3D model. And then after that, I rig it, add all the skeletons in Blender, make it animation ready, make it game ready. Finally, it is a game ready FBX file for your iClones. You can just go to my video descriptions, go and click the download link. It is an FBX file. I'm going to show you all this step by step. Everything start from beginning. I just create a fresh new 3D project in iClones. So if you go and download it, it is an FBX file in my video description. After you already download it, just drag and drop into your iClone 8. It is ready for use. Now you can see it already have the material texture. To animate it, what you need to do is just go to the animations, then edit animation layer. You can see all of the bones. You can let it to open mouth, close mouth. You can turn the head, and you can manipulate the wing to let it fly. You can shake the tail as well. And then all of these legs and hands, it already fully rigged. You can animate it anytime. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of this anthropomorphic monster for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!